In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix corrupted fonts on your Windows 11 computer. Let's go ahead and get started. First, open up the search menu. You can do this by clicking on the magnifying glass icon in the taskbar or by pressing the Windows key on your keyboard and typing in the word Control Panel. When you see Control Panel appear in the search results, click on it to open it. Now, inside the Control Panel window, look in the top right corner where it says View By. Make sure this is set to large icons. If it's not, click the drop-down menu and change it to large icons. This will help you find the correct options more easily. Scroll down the list of icons until you see the one labeled Fonts. Click on it to open the font settings. Once you're inside the Fonts window, look over on the left-hand side. You should see an option that says Font Settings. Click on that. In the Font Settings window, look for the section called Restore Default Font Settings. This is the option that resets all your fonts back to the original ones that come with Windows 11. If some fonts were removed, damaged, or replaced, this will help bring everything back to normal. Click on the button that says Restore Default Font Settings. After you click the button, it will process the change. Once that's done, you can close out of the Control Panel window. Now, restart your computer. This will make sure the changes take effect and that any corrupted font issues are fully resolved after the reboot. That's it. Once your computer restarts, you should notice that your fonts are displaying correctly again. Thanks for watching.